magic that awaits. Snowdonia promises an experience. Imagine standing atop Mount Snowdon, gazing out at a panorama of jagged peaks that seem to touch the sky. The sense of accomplishment is overwhelming as you realize you've reached the highest point in Wales. The view is nothing short of breathtaking, with the peaks stretching out in every direction, creating a rugged and majestic landscape that seems almost otherworldly. The air is fresh and invigorating as you take in the vastness of the landscape. Each breath fills your lungs with the pure, crisp air that can only be found in such pristine natural environments. The feeling of being so high up, surrounded by such raw beauty, is both humbling and exhilarating. It's a reminder of the power and grandeur of nature. As you descend into the valleys, you'll encounter shimmering lakes like Llyn Llador and Llyn Dinas, reflecting the beauty of their surroundings. These lakes are like mirrors, capturing the essence of the sky and the mountains in their still waters. The tranquility of these spots is palpable, offering a perfect place to pause and reflect on the journey so far. Waterfalls cascade down rocky slopes, their rushing waters creating a symphony of nature. The sound of the water crashing against the rocks is both powerful and soothing, a natural melody that adds to the enchanting atmosphere of Snowdonia. Each waterfall has its own unique character, some gentle and serene, others wild and untamed. The trails wind through ancient forests, where gnarled trees whisper tales of bygone eras. Walking through these forests feels like stepping back in time, with the dense canopy overhead and the rich, earthy scent of the forest floor. The trees, some of which are centuries old, stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their twisted branches creating a natural cathedral. Snowdonia is a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the raw beauty of the wild. It's a sanctuary for those seeking peace and solitude, a place where the hustle and bustle of modern life feels a million miles away. Whether you're hiking the peaks, exploring the valleys, or simply sitting by a lake, Snowdonia offers a profound connection to nature that is both rejuvenating and inspiring. The serene wild landscapes invite you to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple yet profound beauty of the natural world. Journey westward to the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park, where the land meets the sea in a dramatic embrace. This coastline is a tapestry of rugged cliffs, hidden coves, and golden sandy beaches. The Pembrokeshire Coast Path, stretching for 186 miles, offers unparalleled views of the Atlantic Ocean. As you walk along the path, feel the salty breeze on your face and listen to the crashing waves below. The air is filled with the cries of seabirds, and if you're lucky, you might even spot dolphins or seals frolicking in the waves. Section 5. Hidden Coves and Coastal Trails in Pembrokeshire. Pembrokeshire's coastline is a treasure trove of hidden gems. Discover secluded coves like Barafundle Bay, with its pristine sands and turquoise waters. Explore the charming seaside towns like Tenby, with its colourful houses and picturesque harbour. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on a coastal adventure, discovering secret beaches and breathtaking viewpoints along the way. The Pembrokeshire coast is a place to escape the everyday and reconnect with nature's beauty. Section 6. Brecon Beacons, where mountains meet the sky. Venture into South Wales and you'll encounter the Brecon Beacons National Park, a land of rolling hills, dramatic escarpments, and star-studded skies. The Brecon Beacons offer a different kind of beauty than Snowdonia's rugged peaks. Here, the mountains rise gently from the landscape, creating a sense of tranquility and peace. The park is crisscrossed by a network of trails, making it ideal for hiking and exploring. Section 7. Wildlife and Wonder in the Brecon Beacons. As you wander through the Brecon Beacons, keep an eye out for the local wildlife. This national park, located in South Wales, is a haven for nature enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The diverse landscape, ranging from rolling hills to rugged mountains, provides a perfect habitat for a variety of species. Wild ponies roam freely across the hills, their manes flowing in the wind. These majestic creatures have become a symbol of the park, embodying the untamed spirit of the Brecon beacons. Watching them graze peacefully is a sight to behold, a reminder of the beauty of wild, unspoiled nature. Birds of prey soar overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground for prey. The skies of the Brecon beacons are home to a variety of raptors, including red kites and peregrine falcons. Their graceful flight and sharp hunting skills are a testament to the rich biodiversity of the area. At night, the Brecon beacons transform into a stargazer's paradise. The park is recognized as an international dark sky reserve, making it one of the best places in the UK to observe the night sky. Whether you're an amateur astronomer or simply someone who enjoys gazing at the stars, the Brecon beacons offer a celestial experience like no other. With minimal light pollution, the park boasts some of the darkest skies in the UK, offering unparalleled views of the Milky Way. On a clear night, you can see thousands of stars, planets, and even distant galaxies. It's a humbling experience that connects you to the vastness of the universe. The Brecon beacons are a reminder of the wonders that await us when we take the time to appreciate the natural world. From the wildlife that thrives in its diverse habitats to the breathtaking night skies, this national park is a treasure trove of natural beauty and wonder. So, lace up your hiking boots, grab your binoculars, and set out to explore the enchanting landscapes of the Brecon beacons. Every visit promises a new discovery, a new moment of awe, and a deeper connection to the natural world. Land. Section 9. The magic of Welsh landscapes, a source of inspiration. The stunning landscapes of Wales have long been a source of inspiration for artists, writers, and musicians. The rugged beauty of the mountains, the tranquility of the lakes, and the drama of the coastline have all found their way into countless works of art. From the poetry of Dylan Thomas to the music of Catatonia, Welsh culture is deeply intertwined with the natural world. A visit to Wales is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a journey into the heart of a nation's creativity. Section 11. Join the adventure. Explore the world with us. If you enjoyed this journey through the scenic spots of Wales, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking destinations. Join our community of explorers and let's discover the wonders of our planet together. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure.